Hello, this is Daniel from WeLaunch, and I'm going to show you how you can easily transform your boring attribute values from text to images and how you can use these images also for variation swatches in WooCommerce. We see here our demo shop, and we have on the left here a filter by color for black, blue and gray. As you see here, these are just text filters, so it's not very looking very good, it's very boring. And then below you have filters by size, let's say L, M and S, which are the sizes of the hoodie from this product here. You also see a simple product here and 3 variable ones, and you see that here is no image at all. If you click on the product, then you just have the boring select fields as most of the standard WooCommerce themes have, but we want to change that now. So let us go into the backend. And we have the plugin already enabled and activated. The plugin which we are using is Attribute Images or WooCommerce Attribute Images, which you can find here in the menu under WooCommerce. When you just click on you will turn on general settings of this plugin on, and you can leave the default ones activated. No need to do any changes here because they are good to go. But you also have an option to have category variation swatches. And this is also enabled by default, also with some default settings. And we will show you later how it will look in the category loop. Like this will show, for example, images directly in the shop loop for variable products. When we now want to add some images to our attributes, because, for example, we want to have a color in a different images displayed and not with text, we go on Products, Attributes, and then we click on the Configure Terms link, where we want to add some images. And you will see here directly that we have already attached some images, for example, to black, to blue, and to gray. If you want to change that, you simply click on Edit. You see here a new entry called Attribute Image, and you can switch that image with any other image you want. That's very easy and native, as you know it from other editing modes in WordPress. So let's assume that we are now done. We edited images for our colors and also for our sizes. So now we can go back into the shop loop, and you will see this still because we did not refresh it. When we now refresh it, you will see, damn, on the left, filters by color in different images, and you will also filters by size in different images. See here you have black, blue, gray. We also implemented a tooltip in the plugin, so people will know what color that really is, for example. And you also have directly in the listing below a product the same attribute images. For example, this variable product was available in black, blue and gray. And you will have all 3 variations below that image. And you see that when you click, for example, on black, the image is changing and also the price is changing. When we click on a product, and that is the variation swatches that we wanted to show you, is that you can see here the boring select field that we saw before has been replaced with a native attribute images select field. So you click here again on, for example, black, blue or gray, and the price is changing and the image is changing, and you can add that product to cart very easily. As you can see, that is fairly simple to use, and you just need to attach some images to attributes. No need to manually revamp all the variations or add images to all variations or all products. You just add it to one attribute or attribute value, and that's it. If you like the plugin and if you like the video, then we would be happy if you purchase our plugin. If you have any comments, then let me know, and enjoy the rest of the day.